Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, FOMC yesterday did cause the dollar pairs to go down, and especially looking at other dollar pairs for correlation, I think that this is likely a wave A and this is likely a wave B. And more than likely, we are going down for a wave C. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I got my Fibonacci extension on the wave A projected on the top of the wave B. I think that the 38% lining up with the 161% is a pretty likely area, and the 50% could also be an area. I think the 38% is probably a more likely area to end an ABC correction. Now I'm on the 4 hour time frame because below that you start to lose the clarity a little bit. But if you know what the 4 hour time frame is doing, then you could just go down to the shorter time frames and just look for pullback entries in the direction of the higher time frames. So if this is truly now in a downtrend, probably going down to at least a 0.582 area, maybe even lower than that, then we definitely want to be looking for pullback entries to go short on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.